Create your success blueprint. Let's overcome fears, doubts, and limiting beliefs in this video. Hi, champions. I'm Dr. Meghna Dikshit, author of You Matter, and I'm so excited to welcome you back to our channel. Here we dive deep into the limitless potential of your mind and brain, unlocking the secrets to success, helping you heal from the past and preparing for an extraordinary future. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the tools and insights you need to thrive. For my committed subscribers, a very warm welcome. Your journey to mastering your mind and living your best life continues here. And if you're ready to unleash your brain's potential, type dive in the chat box right now. And let's begin. Today's topic is all about the success blueprint. Specifically, how to overcome fears, doubts, and limiting beliefs. One question I get asked a lot: Dr. Meghna, what is your mantra for success? Let me share a quick story before I share this mantra. This is a story I read as a child. It's about Emperor Akbar and his wise minister Birbal. One day, Akbar accidentally spilled a few drops of perfume on his seat. Embarrassed, he ordered his staff to empty thousands of perfume bottles into a public tank for everyone to enjoy, thinking it would make up for those few lost drops. Birbal simply remarked, "बूंद से गई, 100 हाथ से नहीं भर आती." A small drop spilled cannot be refilled by even 1,000 tanks. Now, is that really true, or does context matter? What do you think? Type your thoughts in the chat box. Let's see who believes we can make up for our past slips with bigger actions and who believes some mistakes just can't be undone. Let me know in the chat box. For me, the pursuit of success has been a roller coaster. I've faced countless fears, doubts, and limiting beliefs. Yet here I am, living a life I consider successful, one I built by learning from every stumble. Let me share a quick case study. A young man, let's call him Arjun, joined my 6-month advanced program to improve his finances. He kept getting rejected in the final round of job interviews. Turns out he was weighed down by childhood fears. His parents pinned all their hopes on him after a disappointing 12th grade result. That fear of letting them down kept sabotaging his final interview. Once we identified this pattern, he worked on it, and within 3 months, he landed a great job. Type I get it in the chat if this resonates with you. If you have ever felt past failures creeping up on your present. According to neuroscience, success triggers increased activity in our reward pathways. Every time we hit a goal, our brain releases dopamine, the feel-good neurotransmitter. This dopamine rush motivates us to repeat the behavior, creating a positive cycle. So why do some people achieve goals while others struggle? Because fears, doubts, and limiting beliefs interrupt this cycle. They keep you from taking action or make you give up too soon. The good news? You can rewire your brain to overcome these blocks. Now let's dive into 6 steps to overcome fears, doubts, and limiting beliefs for your personal success blueprint. First is identify your pattern. So ask yourself, is it fear of failure or fear of success? Journal daily about incidents where you hesitate. Recognize the pattern that stops you from taking action. Second is to challenge negative beliefs. Our reptilian brain loves comfort and safety, so it magnifies potential dangers. What proof do I have that this fear is real? Or have I handled similar situations before? Ask yourself these questions and see what answers come up. Third is to check your timelines. Sometimes the goal is not the problem, the deadline is. Read your goal aloud. See how your body responds. Adjust your timeline to something more realistic yet challenging. Fourth is break goals into smaller chunks. Don't keep goals beyond 1 year. Break them down. It's daily discipline, not sheer willpower, that propels you forward. 5 is develop a growth mindset. Become a lifelong learner. Keep upgrading your skills. I personally ask myself daily, how can I serve my students better? What skills do I need to improvise or master? This question drives my growth. Sixth is to seek support. Don't do this alone because success is a team sport. Get a coach or join a community. You see, all world champions have coaches. That young man I mentioned succeeded because he reached out for help. And a bonus tip for you: show yourself compassion daily, even when you make mistakes. Mistakes are stepping stones, not roadblocks. So, which of these 6 steps resonate with you the most? Type it in the chat box and let's talk about it. Now, champions, I want to hear from you. What is one act of kindness you will show yourself today? Maybe it is allowing a small break. Maybe it is celebrating a tiny win. Maybe it is letting go of a harsh self judgment. Type it in the chat. Your answer can inspire someone else to do the same. If you're finding value in this video, smash that like button and share this with your friends and family. Let's spread the power of overcoming fears, doubts, and limiting beliefs together. Before I wrap up, I want to invite you to 2 amazing resources that can help you go even deeper in this journey. First is join my live seminar. Learn how to train your brain and unlock your full potential. The link is in the caption below. Sign up and let's take your transformation to the next level, that too completely free. And second, get my book, You Matter. Start your personal growth journey with me today by grabbing your copy. It's the first step toward a life of unstoppable success. Remember, fear, doubt, and limiting beliefs are natural, but they don't have to define you. With the right tools, mindset, and support, you can create the life you've always envisioned. Keep going, champions. Your success story is just unfolding. Thank you for watching. And if you haven't yet subscribed, ring the bell and stay tuned for more brain boosting insights. Until next time, keep shining and keep thriving.